All right, so we're back with exam 2 material. Now the first question is select all the true statements about Q. Okay, Q, remember, is your reaction quotient. And this states Q is the expression for evaluating Q with its concentration of reactants in the numerator and concentration of products in the denominator. So if we looked at, A goes to B, basically what this is saying is that we have our reactants A over our products B. That's not the case. So we're always looking at products over our reactants. Okay. Next up, Q is equal to K always. Okay. Well, if you remember, K is like your equilibrium constant, whereas Q is the reaction quotient, what is currently in the reaction. So Q only equals K whenever your reaction is at equilibrium. So actually, you know what? So I'm going to go ahead and say that's not right. That one's not right. And then our last one is Q equals K, the reaction will proceed towards products. Okay, well, we know that's not true because our reaction is at equilibrium. Okay, so then we're left with Q is greater than K. The reaction will proceed moving toward reactants to achieve equilibrium. And Q is less than K, the reaction will proceed toward our products. Okay, so we have these two options. Q is greater than K, the reaction will proceed, or the reaction will lead to the reaction moving toward reactants to achieve equilibrium. Okay, and Q is less than K, the reaction will proceed towards our products. Well, if you think about those, in their essence, they're both kind of saying the same thing in some respects, because they both have a reaction going, or the description, one is going towards the reactants, one is going towards the products, but those Q values, it's either less than or greater than K. Now let's think about it. If Q is greater than K, what that kind of implies is that there are more products than there are reactants. So the number of products is greater than our reactants, and therefore what we need to do is go back towards the left to produce more reactants. So if Q is greater than K, then yeah, we'll move towards our reactants. Okay. Next up is if Q is less than K. What does that mean? If Q is less than K, then there are more reactants than there are products. And so what we're going to do is some of our reactants are going to become products. So we're going to go towards our products if Q is less than K. So for this, kind of strange. Both of those options they seem like they're, going to be putting out alternative scenarios, but no, that's all there is to it. And both those two are correct. All right, I'll see you in the next question.